The site chosen for this project was originally intended to be the front entry point to the University of Queensland, as seen by the Hennessy original master plan, which included a bridge connecting the university to Boundary Street in West End. But that bridge was never built, and currently the site serves as a car park with a big green space and some trees. That doesn't mean this site is unloved, however. It is used for quiet relaxation, for socializing with friends, playing volleyball, frisbee, admiring the ducks that frequent the area, or even having a nap. People are dropped off at uni here and picked up, and students and staff chat with their colleagues at their car doors at the end of the day. While conducting site analysis, I observed and participated in casual conversations with strangers. I also noted a desire for more seating, as evidenced by chairs that had been placed there from elsewhere on campus and moved around over different days. Through visiting the site across different days at different times in different weather, I concluded that this site functions as a haven of sorts, used as a break from the stress of studying and a way to connect back to nature. This is why the site has been named Haven Precinct. Some of the things UQ currently lacks is Indigenous representation, as well as spaces for children to play. To build a more diverse and equitable campus culture, we must make our campus welcoming to Indigenous students and staff, as well as students and staff that have children. With the possibility of a bridge that connects UQ with West End finally being built, according to the current draft UQ master plan, it is time to give Haven Precinct the attention it deserves. The creation of an Indigenous yarning circle at the centre of Haven Precinct would be an excellent way to facilitate reconciliation and show respect for our Indigenous community members. Perhaps the stones that are currently kept near the Chancellor's Place bus stop could be integrated into the design. This space would help facilitate the connection to country, which would be beneficial for all members and visitors of the UQ community to balance our often academic focus. Surrounding the yarning circle would be a nature-based playground, which can also be termed a bush kindy, allowing children to interact with nature, to develop gross motor skills, and navigate risks. Many kindergartens have prepared places such as this, and Chapel Hill Kindy and Nature Play would be organisations that could help this delivery. An example of a large-scale nature-based playground is Naturescape, delivered by Rio Tinto in Western Australia. Haven Precinct will retain the much-loved trees that border its edges and provide more and flexible seating. It is recommended that the road that encircles the area be changed, planted over in some places, and in other places made into a wide, active transport pathway, servicing pedestrians, cyclists, and light electric cross-campus vehicles. Future projects could extend this pathway all the way to the future bridge that will connect West End and UQ, as well as provide a ceremony hall space in the also underutilised green area that lies beyond Haven Precinct. Improvements that could be made to this project would be to engage in extensive community consultation with relevant stakeholders, and to engage with Indigenous members of the UQ community, as well as parents and children of the UQ community, to listen to what kind of space would meet their needs. If given the chance and the right attention, Haven Precinct can become a place that is truly excellent, a welcoming entry point into our university, that is not quite as the original master planners of UQ originally envisaged, but is instead something even better.